Hi, I'm BJ Schrader, and this is Wendell Young with McWane Technical Services. We're going to show you how to install a Husky no-hub heavy-duty coupling. Before we begin, remember to use your personal protective equipment. Today we're going to demonstrate by using a 4-band, 2-inch, heavy-duty Husky SD4000 couplings. Husky couplings are tested and certified to ASTM C1540, FM 1680 Class 1, and CSA B602. The gaskets are neoprene, and they're certified to ASTM C564. One of the most common methods for installing no-hub couplings is to use a T-handle torque wrench set to 80 inch-pounds. A much easier method, and the one we're going to use today, is this Milwaukee M12 cordless no-hub coupling drill driver. The important thing to note is that it can be set to 60 inch-pounds for standard no-hub couplings or 80 inch-pounds for heavy-duty couplings. It works as fast as your drill, but it's accurate and repeatable. Please remember that cast iron drain, waste, and vent piping systems are only as strong as the joints holding them together. Whether joining pipe to pipe to fittings, or fittings to fittings, couplings are installed in basically the same way. It's always important that the pipe ends are cut off square to install a good seal. Now Wendell will show you the first step in installing a heavy-duty coupling. First, slide the gasket over the pipe or fitting, making sure that it goes on straight. Position the center of the gasket over the joint so that it's evenly distributed. That's made easier by the center stop on the inside of the gasket. The coupling shield then slides over and covers the gasket. Please note that couplings will connect onto cast iron soil pipe and fittings, either fitting to fitting or pipe to pipe, or today, pipe to fitting. In this scenario, we're using a 4-band, 2-inch, heavy-duty Husky 4000 coupling. Now this is very important. Which band do we torque first? You always want to start on the inside of the smaller diameter first. That's the pipe side. The pipe is traditionally a smaller outside dimension than your fittings, especially the larger fittings with the spigot bead around the edge. As Wendell will demonstrate, this is a fitting to pipe scenario. For tightening bands 1, 2, 3, 4, we start on the number 2, the inside of the smaller diameter first, which is the pipe, and we finish that connection with 80 inch-pounds. After completing number 2, we move over to number 1 and finish that connection with 80 inch-pounds. We hit number 2 again and number 1 again. Now we're ready to move on to number 3 and finish that with 80 inch-pounds. We now move on to number 4. We then hit number 3, number 4, and then one last time, 2, 1, 3, and number 4. So why are we hitting them 3 times? That's because the gasket continues to compress and the corrugation of the shield is biting into the gasket. That's what's called for when pipe and fittings are connected together. When pipe to pipe or fitting to fitting are joined, you can still follow the 2-1, 3-4 sequence. And when you get into larger size, 6-band couplings, you do the same scenario, but of course start on the number 3 band. You'll get an installation sheet in the box, or you can download it from the website. And there you have it, a perfectly installed 4-band Husky SD4000 heavy-duty coupling on cast iron soil pipe and fitting.